CEO of St. John Ambulance Commissioner Matt Cannon, while explaining the setup of the Tarama Aquatic Center for drive-through COVID-19 testing, said a separate container has been set up away from the actual testing site where the health workers access to remove their PPEs. He stressed it was paramount that this is done in a space away from the actual sampling site, and also the PPEs are correctly removed to avoid further transmission to another person.
Actually, the most dangerous part, the most risky part of your interaction with a patient when you're wearing PPE isn't when you're with the patient, it's actually when you're taking off your PPE. So we need to do that carefully, and we need to do that in a space that we have safety.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister James Marape recently revealed more information into the cause of the COVID-19 outbreak at the Central Public Health Laboratory. The cause was a breach of safety by the driver who did not cover nor have a mask on.
We did a little bit of search into what happened there, and from information that I am getting at my level, they were equipped with PPEs and appropriate PPEs, but one of them had contact with a driver who was not masked and probably equipped. And from that contact with the driver, who became positive also, spread on to the 4 who were working inside.
This has led to a community transmission when contacts of the 5 health workers from CPHL were traced. Prime Minister Marape said this is a classic indication of a community transmission prevalence in the city. As the number of positive cases continue to rise, the public is reminded to be vigilant, to continue hygiene practice, wear masks at all times, stand 1 or 1.5 meter apart, and to minimize unnecessary movements.